All right, what do we got? Ooh.
Yeah, ready?
Blowjob. Woo. Wow. Flying scuzz.
It's pretty bad when the grease is so bad.
It doesn't even leave dirty marks on you? Oh!
Look at the oil fitting.
Oh, look at the grease fitting. There was a grease fitting in there.
Yeah.
Who would have known?
Yeah, who would have thunk?
Who would have thunk it? Dang-o, who would have thunk it?
Okay, now I gotta push it towards you and clean out this side so that I can try and get more bolts done. Oh,
there you go. Well,
never thought I'd be doing this just to get something done.
Look, there's another grease fitting here.
What?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah, they couldn't even see that earlier.
Yeah, you couldn't see 3/4 of this. It was 3 times as long. I mean, dude.
Oh, I know.
Here, let me. Oh, no. Now
yeah.
Look.
How'd that beer can get in there?
I don't know.
Oh, I've never seen that before.
Nope.
Huh.
We don't drink beer.
Anyway.
Who, me?
Oh, my God. Anywho. All right, so coming apart. Just a lot going on because it's a mess. Disaster.
Tie rod's done. We got one side tie rod. Well, yeah.
Yeah, it's off. That's good.
Yeah.
I can actually work on making those once you get them both off. I'll work on that, but yeah, plugging away. Alrighty.
This is crazy.
It's like it's never been rebuilt. It's a time capsule.
Yeah, I mean,
and it just,
I can tell.
It's like we just keep greasing the same old shit.
And apparently that's all they did. But the problem is, I mean, how do you get a brake fitting
caked with shit
caked
like
it's
an
oil fitting?
Yeah, like a grease zerk. Yeah.
I know.
Coming along.
And I got to admit, I've never seen this before. A spring.
Oh, yeah.
That goes...
Yeah, it keeps...
This way. Well, here, let me pull this out. It goes like this, and then you put the tie rod through?
Yeah, it keeps preload. It's usually in the rubber boot, and the boot went bye-bye, as you can see.
Oh, there wasn't anything left of the boot.
But yeah, hold on to those.
Okay, well, I figured just made the safe side. If I find any, I will.
All right.